In this demo, I will show you guys how to make your own DIY projector with just a cardboard box and your cell phone. It's kind of creepy in here and starting to get kind of cold. I don't even know why I'm whispering. So, let's get started. We can start with using a transparency. You just need to put it in your printer, turn it on, and you can choose whatever image you wanted to print. It's good to choose an image that is high in contrast. You can also use colored image because it also shows up on the transparency prints. And voila, you got your transparency printed out. And now I'm just basically tracing the size of the transparency, making sure that it's actually a little bit smaller than the transparency itself. And now I'm just cutting the hole on the box. And I'm just gonna fold the top part. Place the transparency on top with a little bit of tape. Get your cell phone and turn on the flashlight on your cell phone. And once the flashlight is on, simply right here, make sure it's on. And just place the phone inside the box with the flashlight facing outwards. Turn off your lights and you got yourself a lantern projector. There you go. As you can see that you can actually create projectors just by using a cell phone and a box, and will give you good effects just using cutouts even transparency or drawings on transparency. Until next time.